Hey guys, we're out here at a customer's home. We're actually pouring a pool deck. I kind of wanted to show you, we've got multiple steps of the process here. As you can see here, we've slowly regraded and gotten the slope of this to where we wanted it with some concrete fines, as you can see here, which is just this rough gravel. It's just giving us a good base for us to pour our concrete on. All right, here we are kind of in the next step, the next process. We've got a good sand base that we've laid down. Also, you can see the blue here, that is our rebar mat, which is roughly a 2 foot on center rebar mat. We've also tied into our existing slab. That way the slab all kind of works as one and stays together, but that is the second step of this process. Okay guys, here we can see the guys are kind of looping in the concrete as we just dumped it. They're just trying to get the appropriate amount of concrete in the right areas, and then we'll see Lee here start to screed that out and get our slopes kind of where we want them. All right, here we are on a finished slab. As you can see, we do have a slope down to these drains. We're kind of in between the house and the pool here, which doesn't allow us a whole lot of slope. So we have to slope that concrete somewhere to get the water that hits the slab. We have to get it to run somewhere. So we put it into these drains, which then runs around the pool and daylights on the other side.